Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. So the next 1000x giant crypto before it's too late. Now, the thing is the eagle-eyed amongst you will see that I'm not sure how to hide that top bar. So therefore, it's probably a bit of a giveaway what we're going to be talking about, but we'll crack on. I want you to remember to fill those bags on safer altcoin plays first. We'll have a look at this, but also make sure your main bags are filled, your quant, H-bar, things like that. But if you've done this, your bags are packed. Or if you're a larger player looking for gems, then maybe this is what you're looking for. So we're introducing Labs Group. So what is Labs? Let's move that out of the way a little bit. The liquid assets brokerage system, Labs, is the vanguard of a new era of real estate investment. Harnessing the strength of our robust ecosystem and our innovative token system, we leverage the power of decentralized finance, DeFi, and governance to break down the barriers in real estate, the world's largest asset class. We're not just transforming the way people invest, we're shaping the future of retail itself. Labs is phenomenal. So you've got capital appreciation, inflation edge, passive income, wealth storehouse. The vision is being a seamless ecosystem where everyone wins. Developers easily sell their properties, investors and consumers can easily invest, and no one gets left behind. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole website because obviously you can do this yourself. You can click on there and do your own research. The Owner's Circle NFT is something I also want to touch on now as well, because this is really impressive. Invest in the future of real estate. So the Owner's Circle program brings more value to real estate investors all on one platform. Now, I got in. I think there was the initial seed round for an NFT, and it was 600,000 labs. I think that's probably going to be slightly higher now. I think it increases as you go along. But I managed to get one in the first rollout. I'm still sure you can probably mint them now as well, using the Labs token or USDT. So property tokenization is possible. We've made it through the Kenang tent resort in East Java. The first property invested by Labs Group after only 1 year of operations. Now, amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, now we know that had a massive impact on the travel and tourism trade, airlines, all that kind of thing. Travel was kind of banned pretty much. And we're proud to say that we're profitable and have successfully distributed the first round of dividends to early investors amounting to a 10% yield. And we think there's room to do more. And I absolutely do too. So there's going to be 10,000 of these Owner's Circle NFTs. So it looks like at the minute it's $500 in USDT, or if you buy Labs and do it that way, you'll get 10% off that amount. And it's broken down into 10% royalty and sub-sale transactions, 1% used to buy back and burn Labs, and 9% to be sent to the owner fund. There's tiered rewards here too, which obviously you can have a flick through. The utility, 75% of net yield generated after paying management operation fees by properties invested by Labs Group and Owner's Circle will be equally divided by its 10,000 holders. So I think it's, we're still really super early on this as well. Exclusive access into Owner's Lounge in Labs Discord, and connect with like-minded investors and discuss potential properties to invest. Rewards from property operations will be paid in BNB, equal to the 10,000 NFTs, and this can be claimed from the Owner's Circle website whenever paid out dates are made. So again, this is also something I need to touch on as well. So US citizens are restricted from minting this product. I think a lot of that's down to how the SEC are trying to bully everyone in the crypto space, which I believe eventually that they'll lose that battle. America's too big of a country to be bullied by the SEC, and you get your bi-monthly reports from properties. So this is your owner's fund here, 50% in high yield properties, which is residential, industrial, 40% in commercial, which is resorts and hotels, and 10% into flipping land with a maximum hold of 6 months. But again, we're not going to go too much into this right now. We're just going to have a little look. But phase 1, we're at minting, which I think we're doing now. Phase 2 is going to be the property rewards platform. Phase 3 is the Owner's Circle property management system. All absolutely fantastic. We'll have a quick look at StayNext now, which is powered by the Labs token. So again, this is quite a big thing. An official partner of Arsenal Football Club. Now you can check all this; it's all verifiable. You can go onto the Arsenal FC website. Arsenal are a massive football club over in England, or soccer club in America, but they're massive. They're a big team. They still haven't won a European Cup yet, though. So, but if you have a little look deeper, so the Stayneck platform, an exclusive vacation club platform that allows members the usage rights to resorts globally on an annual basis and the ability to earn rewards by holding onto the membership. We use blockchain to tokenize stays and then embed them onto NFTs, which represents your membership and a number of nights allocated for you at the property. Now, again, what an NFT allows you to do, a Staynex NFT, is live the life of a globetrotter, build a collection of stays globally, or give you exclusive experiences. Now, again, you can look through this website. I think it's absolutely brilliant. They're onboarding hotels all the time. They're literally every day, every 2 or 3 days, a new hotel's onboarded. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I think it's a really exciting project. If we go here, which we'll do a little bit more of a digging into it. So now we're taking a look at the project. Let's look at some of the numbers and the partners. So some of the partners are brilliant for a crypto at this stage. So you've got Huawei, huge, Arsenal, massive, Ramada, massive. You can see here how the cycle of owning the NFT, how they generate the funds to you, and they come back and get paid into the owner circle after being converted into BNB. For this particular graphic, it's a shout out to Cryptos Quamfi. It's a very, very good graphic. Shows a lot more of the partners. I think Morpheus Labs are in there as well. Right now, if you had 1K to invest in dollars, that'd get you around 1.6 million tokens. And the price per coin is super cheap. It's 0.000306162. I don't even have a price prediction in mind for this right now. I'm just very excited to watch the growth. And I've had a position since December last year, early January. And I'm going to continue to add to this position because I really do think this could absolutely fly. It's got so much going for it for such a small market cap. If it got to a 1 cent a coin, the market cap would be $600 million. So you'd have 1.6 million coins and that'd be $16,000 return, which is huge. But it gets better if it gets to 10 cents. The market cap would be $6 billion. So your 1.6 million coins would be worth $160,000. Now, I'm not saying they're going to hit their numbers. We don't know yet. But as they're building and growing, it's exciting. And I think that we'll see a lot more as we go along. Basic numbers here now. The travel and tourism industry is worth approximately $631 billion worldwide. And the real estate industry is worth approximately $23 trillion worldwide. So if Labs can take a very small percentage of that market, then it can go to the absolute moon. I'm sure you'd agree if it can take a small fraction of that. Just want to point out as well, in case anyone thinks that this is a sponsored video, it absolutely isn't. But Bernard, I'm here. I'm happy to do one for you. Another thing I think you should really check out, as well as checking out the website, do some digging, do your own due diligence. Obviously, don't invest blindly. What I'm trying to say to you here is the Discord and the Telegram. Go into there, ask questions, speak to the people who are running the show. Bernard Lau is the CEO. He's very active in their Telegram channel. Very open, speaks about a lot of the projects, what he wants to do in the future, how he's trying to build this. And it's great to be able to have that kind of access. I've also spoken to Labs and saw that CoinMarketCap basically has their information wrong. So there's a 10 billion tokens max supply on this, and they're now all in circulation. So the actual market cap is just over $6 million. So loads of room to grow, massive potential. It's now fully out there. So go ahead and get some if that's what you want to do. They did do staking recently in a promotional fashion. I think it was at 200% APY, which is very, very good, but it was limited for 90 days. I know a lot of the community who tried to get involved in that staking missed out, but from what I know about what Labs have been saying to me and the group is that they will be looking at ways to try and bring that back to get more people on board into staking. So if that's what you want to do, there's a way of passive income there as well. I mean, I just think it's an absolutely fantastic low market cap gem. Take a look at it yourself. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this project. Labs Group, for me, I think it's going to go to the moon. But as always, do your due diligence. Get your main bags filled first. But let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.